Dear students, I am your maths teacher from Paramount Public School, Chima. Beta, today our topic is lowest form of rational numbers. What is the lowest form of rational number? When a rational number is said to be in lowest form, a rational number P upon Q is said to be in lowest form if P and Q have no common factor. Okay? If P and Q have no common factor, then a rational number P upon Q is in a lowest form. That is, HCF of P and Q should be equal to 1. Okay बेटा, एक रैशनल नंबर P अपॉन Q लोएस्ट फॉर्म में कब होगा? जब P और Q का HCF क्या हो? 1 हो. मीन्स P और Q में कोई भी कॉमन फैक्टर ना हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2 upon 3, 3 upon 7. Look here in 2 upon 3. No common factor except 1. 2 और 3 में 1 के अलावा कोई भी कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं है. That means it is in a lowest form. Similarly beta in 3 and 7, no common factor except 1. So 3 upon 7 is also in lowest form. Okay beta. Now next is how to change a rational number into lowest form. How change a rational number into lowest form. मीन्स एक रैशनल नंबर को हमने लोएस्ट फॉर्म में कैसे चेंज करना है. सपोज बेटा आई हैव अ रैशनल नंबर P अपॉन Q which is not in lowest form. Which is not in lowest form. Then how can I change it into lowest form? First of all beta, find out the HCF of P and Q. Suppose HCF of P and Q is equal to M. Is equal to M. After finding HCF, जब आपने HCF find out कर लिया, then divide the rational number with HCF. P as well as Q. P is divided by HCF. HCF is equal to M. P is divided by M. Similarly, Q is divided by M. Then that rational number, it will be in a lowest form. It will be in a lowest form. Clear beta? Understood? एक रैशनल नंबर को लोएस्ट फॉर्म में बेटा कैसे चेंज करना है. सपोज रैशनल नंबर था P अपॉन Q. आप P और Q का क्या फाइंड आउट कर लो? HCF फाइंड आउट कर लो. तो उस HCF के साथ क्या करो? P और Q को डिवाइड कर दो. तो आपका रैशनल नंबर क्या हो जाएगा? लोएस्ट फॉर्म में चेंज हो जाएगा. नाउ आई विल डिस्कस एन एग्जाम्पल. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई हैव अ रैशनल नंबर 4 अपॉन 22. I want to change it into the lowest form. First of all, I will find the HCF of 4 and 22. How I will find the HCF? Firstly, find the prime factor of 4 as well as 22. Prime factor of 4 beta 2 multiply 2, and prime factor of 22 beta it will be 11 multiply 2. Now look, add the common factor. HCF full form is highest common factor. Means बड़े से बड़ा common factor. That will be the HCF. Now in 4 and 22, look what is common. 2 is here and 2 is also here. Means 2 is common between 4 and 22. So HCF of 4 and 22 beta it will be is equal to beta 2, because 2 is common. Okay. Now divide your rational number with the HCF. Divide your rational number with HCF. Now 4 upon 22. 4 is divided by 2. 22 is divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. 11 2s are 22. It will change into 2 upon 11, and 2 upon 11 is in lowest form. It is in a lowest form. In that way we can change a rational number into lowest form. Clear beta? With the help of prime factors you can find the HCF, or in simple statement you can also find the prime HCF with the help of tables. For example beta, I have a number 2 upon 4. Rational number is 2 upon 4. Then what is the HCF of 2 and 4? Look at the table on which both number come, 2 as well as 4. वो टेबल देखो जिस पर दोनों नंबर आ रहे हैं, 2 भी आ रहा है और 4 भी आ रहा है. Which is that table? That table is 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4. That means इसका HCF क्या होगा बेटा? 2 होगा. Okay? With the help of tables you can also find out the HCF. Okay beta? Yes beta, your exercise 4.3 is based on lowest form. First question, determine whether following rational number are in lowest form or not. You have to check whether the given rational number are in lowest form or not. If HCF is equal to 1, then it is in lowest form. If HCF is not equal to 1, then it is not in lowest form. So find the HCF of 65 and 84. 65 और 84 का HCF find out कर लो बेटा. 65 it is divided on 5. 13 5s are 65. 13 on 13, 1. And 84 is a even number. Even number always divided by 2. 2 is a prime factor, prime number. Okay, while finding the prime factors, we will divide the number only with the prime number like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. जब भी आपने प्राइम फैक्टर्स फाइंड आउट करने हैं बेटा, आपने नंबर को सिर्फ प्राइम नंबर्स पर ही डिवाइड कर. ओके, so 84 divided on 2, it is 42. It is again on 2, 21. 21 divided on 3, 7. 7 is on 7 and 1. So 65 prime factors are 5 multiplied by 13. 65 के प्राइम फैक्टर 5 into 13 आ गए, और 84 के प्राइम फैक्टर्स आर 2 into 2, 3 into 7. Okay बेटा, now look, anything is common between the prime factors of 65 and 84. 65 और 84 के प्राइम फैक्टर में कुछ कॉमन है बच्चे? Nothing is common ना. Then I can write here 1, because if I will multiply any number with 1, it will be that number. 1 को किसी भी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करो वो वही नंबर रहेगा. Okay, now beta, what is the common? Only 1 is common na. So HCF of 65 and 84 is equal to 1. Okay, if HCF is 1, then I already told, मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया है, if HCF is 1 तो नंबर क्या होगा? लोएस्ट फॉर्म में होगा. So 65 upon 84 is in a lowest form. Okay beta. Now beta, next is second part you have to try. Third part, 24 upon 128. Beta, these types of questions are also depend upon the marks in your exam. If there is 1 marks question in the MCQ, whether 65 upon 84 is in lowest form, you have to tell the answer in yes or no. So directly from here you can judge. 65 84. Look at the statement. Nothing is common between 65 and 84. If 1 marks is question, directly you can write it is not in lowest form. And 24 upon 128, both are even number. So even number, that is, if both are even number, that means HCF is not equal to 1. At least 2 is common. So HCF is not equal to 1. So that number will not be in the lowest form. Clear beta? Understood? In that way you can predict the answer, 1 marks answer from the statement. If 2 or 3 marks question, then you have to solve in a detail like that. And now here beta, 24, find out the factors of 24 onto 12, onto 6, onto 3, on 3 and 1. Similarly beta, 128 के prime factors you have to find onto 64, on to 32, on to 16, again on to 8, on to 4, on to 2, it is on divided on again on 2 is equal to 1. In that way we will find the prime factors. Now beta find out the HCF. 24, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 and 128. How many times 2 is there? 3, 6 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay beta. Now look at the common factor. Common factors are this 2 is common, this 2 is common, this 2 is common. Then 3 times 2 is common. So 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 8. Okay beta. Now divide the rational number with your HCF. 24 is divided by 8. If you want to change from here beta, HCF is equal to 8. Your question is finished here. HCF is not equal to 1, it is equal to 8. So directly you can write it is not in lowest form. Not in lowest form. If you want to change it in the lowest form, then beta divide it with the HCF. As like in question second, अगर आपको इस नंबर को लोएस्ट फॉर्म में चेंज करना है, देन डिवाइड विद HCF. 24, व्हाट इज HCF? 8 divided by 8. 128 again divided by 8. 8 3s are 24 and 128 divided by 8 is equal to 8 1 is 8. 16 आएगा. So your number is 3 upon 16. It is in the lowest form. Understood? In that way you can change the number in lowest form. Okay beta. This is all about the exercise 4.3. Pending parts you have to try by yourself. Okay. Thank you.